Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Learn Max Easily, and today we are going to see arithmetic progression CBSE class 10 continuation. Now in this video we are going to see the sum of first n terms of an AP, right? Okay, as the heading suggests, sum of first n terms. Say for example 1 plus 2 plus 3, and it goes on up to, say for example, till 100 is what given over here in the textbook. Now calculating this entire sum is not that easy, and you cannot be as so correct. So how can we guess the number, or that is how can we guess the sum, or which formula yields the sum value of this entire sequence so easily is what we are going to see now. So they have done like rearranging this to be 100 plus 99 plus, and it goes on up to plus 3 plus 2 plus 1. That is in the reverse order they have written. With this they are just making everything into a single sequence and just forming or arriving the number. So these are small basic things which we studied in our lower classes, but let's we jump directly into the formula, which is more important. As we saw before, the entire AP is of the format A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and it goes on, is what the general format of the arithmetic progression. So again, finding the nth term, we know that an equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So the sum value is nothing but A plus D plus this A plus 2D plus A plus 3D plus update, like it goes on to A plus n minus 1 into D, right? So this is the nth term which we don't know that is the term value. Say it may be 54th term or 55th term, whatever it may be, right? So this is the most general format of the sum. This is consolidated as a formula that is being given as S is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D, where the a stands for the first term, D stands for the common difference, n is the number of terms that is present to find the sum value, right? So this is one of the formula. This again can be written as S is equal to n by 2 a plus an. An, that is a plus an. An is nothing but a plus n minus 1 into D. Again another a is present, so a plus an. So with this formula we can arrive this one. Similarly, when the last term is given, it is a plus l, an l, right? Yes, so these are the formulas for calculating the sum of first n terms of the given AP, right? So we will just see the examples that is given in the textbook. So find the sum of first 22 terms of the AP, 8, 3 and minus 2, and it goes on, right? So okay, just first write the given common difference is minus 5, because 3 minus 8 is minus 5. Total number of terms is 22 is what given in the question, and they are asking us to find the sum of these values, right? So in any of the three formulas that is given before, right, that is S is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D, or S is equal to n by 2 into a plus an, or S is equal to n by 2 into a plus l. With these three formula, any one of them we can apply here or anywhere given in the question to get the sum value of the given AP, right? So here it is n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into D, right? So applying the formula, you get 11 into 16 plus 21 into minus 5, right? That is 105, minus 105. So simplifying this, you get minus 979 as your sum value, right? So the sum of the first 22 terms of the AP given sequence 8, 3, minus 2 and it goes on is minus 979, right? So this is the first example given, and similarly example 12. Example 12. Yes, they have given the sum of first 14 terms to be 1050. A value is 10, right? So yes, 14 means so n is equal to 14. Just assume it so as to find the other terms d. So with this we can find the value of d, nothing but 1050 is equal to n by 2. So 7 into 2a, right? 2a means 20 plus n minus 1, n is 14, right? 13 d. We don't know the value of d, so in order to get the value of d, we are substituting in the formula s is equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So when you simplify this, you get that is 140 plus 91d is equal to 1050. Then when you simplify again, 140 plus 91d is equal to 1050, right? So this 140 goes there, 1050 minus 140, that is 910 equals 91d. Therefore the value of d is 10, right? The value of d is 10. Then they are asking us to find the 20th term, that is a20, right? That is a plus 19d, which I used to tell in the previous class also. That is the 20th term, last class or the previous videos, right? So with that we can find the value of the 20th term. So the a is 10 plus 190, because d value is 10, right? A is the first value, that is 10, and d value is also 10. 19 into 10 is 190. Therefore the 20th term is 200. Here they have done, yeah, the similarly the same thing, right? A plus n minus 1 into d. So a plus 19d, they have done the same thing. A plus n minus 1 into d is nothing but a plus 19d. 10 plus 190 it gives you 200, right? Okay, fine. So the 20th term is 200. Similarly, next we have 13th example given in your textbook. How many terms of the AP 24, 21, 18 till that, and it must be taken so that their sum is 78. Okay, fine. The given value a is 24. Whatever the sum may be, just take and write whatever given in the question, right? Even in your board exams, the given SN value is 78. Kindly have your textbooks with you. So find the value of n. Again, n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d is equal to 78 is what the question or the entire sum deals about. We need to find the value of n. So a value is 24, right? So 2 into 24 is 48 plus n value should be analyzed. So the common difference is minus 3, 78. So again it goes as n by 2 into 48 minus 3n plus 3 equals 78, right? So n by 2 into 51 minus 3n equals 78, right? Okay, multiplying this 2 both sides, so you get 51n minus 3n square equals 156. So 3n square minus 51n plus 156 is equal to 0. Therefore, the value of n gives you 4 or 13. Right? Splitting the middle term, so it gives you 4 or 13. So how many terms must be taken so that the sum is 78? So it can be 4 or it can be 13. Say for example 24, 21, 18, right? And the number of terms, it can be 4. The next term is obviously it will become 15, right? Okay, 24, 21, 18. The next term will be 15, right? So n equal to 4. Actual value or the actual thing is 4. N is equal to 4, but in the question both values of n are admissible, so the number of terms is either 4 or 13. It's not the correct answer. The answer is n equal to 4. Why? Because when you sum 24 plus 21 plus 18 plus 15, you get 78 is what asked in the question. So how many terms must be taken? The first 4 terms is taken so as to yield the sum 78 is what the net result. So n equal to 4 is the right answer. N is equal to 13 will not be the right answer, right? So that will be your conclusion. Similarly, you have another sum, that is example 14. We will switch it to that. The answer for the previous sum is n is equal to 14, 4. 13 will not be accounted. Why? Because they are asking us how many terms must be taken so that the sum is 78. So we need to take only 4 terms, not 13 terms, right? Now example 14, find the sum of first 1000 positive integers, right? So yes, a minute, yes is equal to, they are using the formula n by 2 into a plus l, just to finish the sum. So short and sweet. So the number of n is, that is number of terms is 1000 by 2 positive integers, so it comes from 1 to 1000. So that is nothing but 500 into 1001, that is 500, 500. Such a simple answer or the simple steps in order to find the sum of first 1000 positive integers is 5 lakh 500. Similarly, first n positive integer means again nothing but it becomes as a formula n into n plus 1 by 2. That's it. No need to worry. If they ask this, find the sum of first n positive integers, general formula, right? Sn is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2, where n stands for whatever the number maybe, we can fill it off, right? So that will be the next answer for the question given in the example 14, right? Similarly, example 15, find the sum of first 24 terms of the list of numbers whose nth term is given by an is equal to 3 plus 2n. Okay, fine. An equals 3 plus 2n. So if a1 is equal to 3 plus 2, that is 5. a2 is nothing but 2 to 7. a3 is nothing but 2 6 plus 3 9. So the sequence goes as like this: 5 7 9 11, and it goes on. The a value is 5, the common difference is 2. So we need to find the first sum of 24 terms. So n is equal to 24, right? So the Sn formula is nothing but n by 2, right? So 24 by 2 is 12, n by 2 into 2a, so 10 plus n minus 1, 24 minus 1 is 23, into d, 23 into 2 is 46, 56 into 12, that is 672. So the sum of first 24 terms is 672. It's not 8, it's 2, right? A general thing, whatever the question is given, just don't get panic. As I told you before, just consolidate the question into your own understandable sequence, so that it will be much easier. Say for example, they are given that an is equal to 3 plus 2n. They are asking first 24 terms, so substitute 1 2, so you get the sequence up to 4 or 5. It's more than enough. Say for example, I have substituted till 5 7 9 11 for up to a4. It's your wish to up to calculate till a5 or a6. With that you can get the value of common difference. After common difference and first value is known and the n values that is already given in the question, the first 24 terms, directly substitute in the SN formula, you can arrive the sum value without calculating the entire 24 terms, because right, it's what a general formula actually talks about, right? Yes. Then we will move to example 16. A manufacturer of TV sets produced 600 sets in third year and 700 sets in seventh year. Assuming that production increases uniformly by a fixed number every year, find the production of the first year. Okay, it uniformly it has been increased, so third year is 600, seventh year is 700, right? It is increasing uniformly is what they have given. So with this we need to first find the value, right? A value and D value. So A plus 2D is equal to 600, A plus 6D is equal to 700, minus 100. So the constant D is 25. So substituting D, A plus 2D is equal to 600, where D is equal to 25. So A plus 100 equals 600, right? 25 to 50, right? Okay, fine. It's 50. It's not 100. A plus 50 is nothing but 600. So the value of A is nothing but 550. The value of D is 25. So with this, the first year production, right? A will be already the first year, right? Always the A is the first one. So the first year, the production in the first year, that is the first subdivision question that is given in the example 16, that is asked the production in the first year, nothing but 550 TV sets are being produced in the first year. Similarly, they are asking production in the 10th year. So A plus 9D. So the value of A is 550, D is 25. Right? So this is the second subdivision, the production in the 10th year. Yes. Plus you get it around 775. The production of TV set in the 10th year is 775. Now the third is total production in the first 7 years. Oh god. Okay, fine. Again, S is Sn equal to, that is S7 equal to n by 2. So 7 by 2 into A, right? Yes. Sn formula is 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So the value of A is nothing but 550 the first year, right? So 2 into 550 is nothing but 1100. N minus 1, so 7 minus 1 is 6. D, that is 25. So when you solve this, you get it to be 4375, that is given in the example. So the total production of the first 7 years, right? For first 7 years, the total number of TV produced is 4375 TV sets are being produced for in the first 7 years is what the formula reveals. So the sum gives the result, right? So yes, 4375. So till this, the example sums of the AP, that is with respect to the finding the sum of first n terms of an AP, gets over. Next video we will see the exercise 5.3, each and every sum step by step, right? Till that, if you have any doubt in the entire AP lesson till date, or even after this, if you have any doubt, post it in any one of the comment section of arithmetic progression. I will post the videos as soon as possible for the clearing the doubts, right? or if you have any other doubts in some other lesson in class 10, so kindly switch it or kindly post it in any one of the videos, no problem, whatever the video it may be, just don't worry about that, in post it in any one of the class 10 videos till date I have posted your doubt. Say for example in triangles or in trigonometry, I have this doubt, that doubt, whatever it may be, I will just clear it as soon as possible in a single video. For that I will state it to be doubts video, no problem for myself. Even a single sum also, just don't worry to ask me in any one of the comment section of my videos, right? So till that, kindly watch my videos and study for your upcoming board exams, right? All the best. Bye.